installed Snowflakes winter lights for the 2025 Christmas special. It's kind of nice. They had a lot of snowflakes for Christmas. Alright, we got a red light. Look nice right here. Alright, the snowflakes are nice. What do you think about this, Elinor? Yes. Christmas is about to come soon until December. Yes. Alright. What do you think, Luna? Yes. Alright. Sorry. Alright, that'll be it. Everybody, I don't want to get any toxic, but what do you think about this? Yes. Alright. Alright, everybody, that'll be it. Alright, so everybody, we apologize for the toxic. Anyways, I don't want to get any hate base, but hope you like the snowflake lights installation or installed.